Hi and welcome to this replay of me and my Tier 5 American destroyer, the Nicholas. So, once again, just logged into the game. It's been going on for 20 seconds or so. And I'm not moving, I'm waiting for other people to move first. Preferably a battleship so I can provide some cover. Because that's what I like to do when I play this thing. So, I'm sitting here, people are starting to move, and I think at some point someone is saying, let's go north. But anyways, I know I should be moving, but I don't like to be the first one out necessarily. But, yeah, finally I'm moving. There's a battleship. I'm not fast enough to get in front of him, so I'll basically stop again. Not that I blame him. He's much slower than me, so yeah. He gets to pass first. So, here we go. So, I'm trying to follow this guy. Not difficult, given the speed difference. Set my speed to half, if I'll leave him behind. So that's it. Sailing slow. No enemies spotted. Up. There's a guy far, far away. Not sure where he's going. The opposite way. That's a cruiser. That's a good question. It's not the most common thing to do. Running away from the beginning, but well, if it works, it works. Anyways, there's a destroyer. He's not within range, but almost. And he disappeared again. So, at this point I was basically like, yeah, whatever. That battleship is going too slow, so yeah. Let's go towards the middle to see if we can sneak through and maybe find us a little aircraft carrier hiding in the corner. Well, being a little bit cautious here because who knows? There was a destroyer around, so there could be torpedoes. People sometimes fire through these narrows just in case someone shows up. Well, I am here. There was a cruiser over there before, so I'm keeping an eye out. If he comes around, he should be able to spot me, which is not that good. So far nothing, and there he is. And I've been detected. So, finishing some torpedoes, and yes. And he's shooting me. He hit me. Serious. That one was serious. He took up one of my guns, which seems to happen a lot on this thing. I always use a gun, or sometimes even two. This is bloody annoying. With two guns, you can do so much. It's half firepower. So this guy's coming around. I stopped here because I'm safe, and if he comes around, he can get some torpedoes. On their way. Well, these guys are shooting me, but yeah, I think the battleship I pretended to protect and got him. But well, that was one. There's the other one. So it's coming to get me. I guess I could have sailed around the island, but I tried the same again, but the same result. Another ship took him out. But anyways, I'm safe. So got a grand total of 2 hits so far. Very good. And well, let's see if there's a destroyer over to my right. Should be a threat at the moment. I'm going to fire at him so he knows I'm here. Look at that, there's a battleship. There's another one down there. So, and here's a gap as far as I can see. pretty safe. So I decided to go hunting for battleship. So, full speed ahead. At this point I wanted to go for the one in front of me. But he's going to get behind the island before I can get close enough, so I changed my mind. I did know at this point that he would spot me before I would be before he's sailing around the island, but I was like, yeah, I spotted also shooting my guns, so anyway, this guy that is now coming against me, he's not even looking at me. I'm not sure what he's looking at. Cruise south either way. I'm very close. He's turning. He's not really doing anything. So he's fire. Not that that will kill him anytime soon. 2.5 kilometers. Time to launch torpedoes. Notice that I turned this way. I didn't launch the ones on my left side. Okay, so now back around. 4, 5, 6, 7.
We destroyed an enemy battleship.
Turn around here and fire my other torpedoes to the other side. This one. So six torpedoes away. And look at there's one of those carriers. So at this point I was really thinking,
Battleship foundered.
but
Torpedoes astern.
that was an island. Someone put an island right there. Now this castle is coming. Some good hits in the mist. So a little stuck here. This is a good so fire took out various things. Brilliant. Now let's kill this guy. American stars are better than Japanese ones. Unless you send torpedoes and keep firing.
Engine boost deactivated.
So fire again.
Critical engine damage.
Hits. Shots. Yeah. And that was the end of that. So, let's take a look at the results. First of all, let's see, 28 hits with my guns. Not a lot, but then again I didn't really have any good targets to shoot at. My torpedoes did that for me. Got 10 hits with torpedoes. I would probably have gotten 12 if not for the fact that the poor battleships went down after taking 5 each. Oh well, I can live with that. So destroyed 2, set 2 on fire, flooding, yeah, who cares, they sank too quick anyway. A bit more than 200,000 credits, 2,300 experience, so overall not bad. Well, let's see the teams. Oh yeah, we did win the game, luckily. So I finished 1 thanks to those 2 kills. And my team did okay, I would say. The other team not so bad. The guy who killed me, the Minikaze, got 3 kills, so he also had a good game. Yeah, not much else to say here. And the damage done, a little bit shy of 10,000 with HE, fires another 3,000, flooding 200, yeah, nothing. But then torpedoes, almost 75,000 damage, so that was pretty sweet. 2 battleships at full health went down quick. Well, they made it easy for me, so yeah. But well, if only that Minikaze hadn't come back for me, or I hadn't been noobing around with those two islands, I could probably have sunk the carrier as well. Or maybe the destroyer plus the carrier, but, well, it wasn't meant to be. Those stupid islands. They should remove all of them, really. They always get in the way. Well, either way, it was a short game, and it was pretty fun at the time. So, until next time, enjoy. Bye-bye.